In this video series, we're going to look at how to install the OTAC MFA client. Now, before we begin, just a quick recap. In the previous series, we installed the OTAC auth MFA server, and today we'll be focusing on installing the OTAC auth MFA client. Now, client is the PLC device where you would like to enforce two-factor authentication, or MFA. And whenever a user login request comes in to the client, our OTAC auth client app is going to redirect the authentication request to the OTAC auth server. So let's begin. To install the OTAC auth MFA client, go to the PLCnext store and search for the app name. Select the latest version, which at this point is 1.0, and click on download. Accept the customer terms and condition and the software license terms, and click on download. Now, once the download has been completed, navigate to the WBM of the PLC device, and on the left, under Administration, click on PLCnext Apps. Now, click on Install Apps, and select the client app that you just downloaded. Now, this will upload, and you will see the app available on this page. Now, let's go ahead and click Start this application, and this will give us a warning that the PLC device is going to reboot, and just click OK.